Hi guys, my name is Kathy. I am a personal banking associate at TD, and I know you guys have been heard about TD before. It's the second largest banking in Canada, behind RBC, and I would like to introduce about Toronto Dominion Bank to you guys today. So, as has a trade name as a TD Bank Group. It is a multinational banking and financial services corporation that has a headquarter in Toronto, in Canada. It is and its business focus on financial services industry. As subsidiary, it has four different subsidiaries under TD umbrellas. First one is TD Asset Management. We're focusing on investment option and full financial services for high net worth clients above $1 million. For TD Insurance, we're focusing on home auto insurance and life insurance. And TD Waterhouse, we're providing customer shell direct trading accounts where customers will shell trading themselves. And for TD Security, that will be offering investment banking, capital market, and global transaction. So, as a personal banking associate, working there, I was usually handling credit card application and personal loan and investment options. So, during the period of time working there, I have seen a couple issue in operational issues. So, the first one is TD has been failed to maintain adequate money laundering control, and the second one is TD employees are facing with a high level of stress and pressures, and TIDA also has failed to following government compliant requirements. So into 2004, 2024, TD has been TD has to pay $3 billion fine because failing to maintain adequate and anti-money laundering control and fail to report suspicious transaction, fail to allocating suspicious financial activity that allowed criminals to move like $100 million through bank system to where that TD cannot allocate or has no maintained operation. With this current issue, TD has been hired an independent consultant that is overseen by FinCEN to making sure each transaction has to be followed up with anti-money laundering programs. The second one is TD employee has facing with a high level of stress due to a high customer demand and with a limited number of staff that supports its own branch operation, and there's a certain department that did not take a full responsibility um, um, on their own part of the job that caused the delay on in closing time of the branch. So this is for alternative analysis that TD Bank could use to eliminate the issue that has been introduced in previous slides regarding to anti-money laundering. So the first option was strengthen compliance program by regular audits. And the second one is enhanced due diligence for high-risk clients. So what is high-risk clients? The clients where they come from high chance of financial crime such as Iran's Malaysia or North Korea. The third option is investing in technology blockchain, and then the fourth option is staff training and share awareness. So our recommendation is the number one solution is investing in the technology, blockchain, AI, and machine learning algorithm, where investing in advanced technology will help to trace the original funds and provide a traceable record of the transaction, making it harder for criminal to hide illicit activity, and leveraging AI to identify potential suspicious activity faster and shorten time of investigation with a more accuracy than traditional system. And our second recommendation is like increasing employee share awareness and virtual courses to save time and update the latest money laundering technique, how to spot how to spot red flag and financial crime activities. And our third recommendation is automated audit system where we can hire external auditors, or using automated audit system where we can verify anti-money laundering procedure are being following correctly, that have to find any weakness that need to be addressed immediately. And our final recommendation is like are transparent in combination with high risk client, to making sure that they understand our procedure, why we take time to investigating the profile, and why we have to follow procedure. And and our uh, and our implementation. Here we will assign a team that show in our resources column to monitor and oversee each subcategory task within certain duration, and the total cost of project until it's complete is taking 40,800, and the project will take place from July 21st to 2025 to September 17, 2025. The total duration for the whole project until it's complete, it will take about 54 days. And after the implementation, the value that we will bring to TD Bank Group for this project is that with the alternative option, we will address TD Canada anti-money laundering issue to prevent from exposure to financial crimes activity that brings a significant value creation across multiple dimensions, such as operational efficiency and customer satisfaction, compliance cost reduction, and brand reputation by leveraging the advanced technology like AI, blockchain. TD Bank Group will not only enhance the government compliance measure, but also stay in control in the landscape of financial crime prevention. and and we believe that by increasing the staff awareness about different form of money laundering transaction and financial crime transaction for illegal purpose, that increasing the bank safeguard for from financial illicit, and reducing human errors by ensuring to comply the bank compliant with the regular training on new anti-money money laundering risk, red flag, and regular change, ensure that compliant officers are always up to date today. And our final consideration, as well as the conclusion, for a long-term success of initiative across the banks, depending on careful planning, addressing and executing these critical factors that has been potential leadership change, such as leadership buy-in due to the change in sophisticated AI technology that require a new expertise, organization structure adjustment due to a new system, and technology require new roles, or department or some department to monitor and train management resources, that causing employee might feel a little bit overwhelming by the integration of new technology. Initial investment into new technology will require upfront capital investment, including software, hardware, expertise, and consultant. So the cost associated with ongoing maintenance and update, employee training, this would cost it will cost quite a bit of fund to maintain it for the long run. So the success of the business will depending on the long term plan. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to my presentation today. Have a good night.